Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to view an old comment on carousels you've made on Instagram on your PC. With the new update, it's easier than ever to find those comments you may have forgotten about. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the More icon, or the three dots. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your recent interactions on Instagram. From the Interactions section, click on Comments. Here, you'll find all of the carousels you've commented on in the past. To view the oldest comments first, click on Sort and Filter and choose Oldest to Newest. And there you have it. Now you can easily access and view all of the old comments you've made on carousels on Instagram right from your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.